What's good, y'all? It's Ed Hayes here, back again. It's my second video, man. I'm out here making these YouTube videos trying to put people on to the universal laws of the universe. Check me out. So this video is going to be titled 5 Ways to Start Using the Law of Attraction Today. Now, if you're watching this video, I'm sure you want more out of life. That's why you're here. You're trying to find out, how can I use this law of attraction to actually benefit myself? Well, this is what this video is going to be about. So number one, the first way that you can start using the law of attraction in your life today is by using gratitude. So here's the thing about gratitude. When you use gratitude, it just brings you so much more of whatever it is that you're being grateful for. You'll notice that yourself in your own life. Whatever it is that you're so grateful about, you get more of. And the things on the other end that you complain about, that you feel bad about, you get more of those things. This is just the way it works, guys. So if you're grateful about all the money that you're getting in your life, then you tend to get more money in your life. So every day when I wake up in the morning, before I even get out of the bed, I spend time and just think about the things that I'm grateful for. I'm not like just listing off a monotonous list. I'm actually thinking about it and taking time and like actually feeling the feelings of gratitude. When I spend that time and I actually think about the things that I'm grateful for before I even get out the bed, I notice that I'll always have a good day. That the day just starts off smooth and I'm happy and I'm grateful and I'm feeling good. That's the way I like to start every day, guys. So on the other end of that, you have like waking up negative and you can't find your clothes for work, and you gotta hurry up and go, and you're gonna be late, so now you're stressed. And then when you get on the road, now it's traffic and that's stressing you out, and then you get to work and your boss is mad at you. It's like a snowball effect, guys. So gratitude is a great way to start off your day and start that positive momentum to get something good going for your day. And not only just like when you first wake up, but throughout the day, as you're going throughout your day, just think about the things that you're grateful for. Feel good and happy and grateful that you have those things in your life. That's a great way to start using the law of attraction today. Tip number 2 on how to start using the law of attraction today is visualization. Visualize what it is that you really want out of your life. Visualize whatever that goal is, whatever it is that you're looking for. And just hold that image in your head throughout the day. And fuse that in with the gratitude. Like start with the gratitude and feel those feelings of just feeling happy and grateful and joyful for the things that you already have. And then come out of that and then think about the things that you're trying to attract. And when you're visualizing, only see the end result. Don't think about the how-to. Only see the end result. Focus on that finished, completed picture. See yourself holding that championship trophy. See yourself with the wedding ring on your hand already and her saying yes. See yourself accomplishing the goals that you're trying to accomplish right now. Fuse that in with the gratitude. That's a great way to start using visualization in your day. But what's important about visualization, however, is that you have to be very, very specific in what it is that you're asking for. See, most of us, we don't actually spend our time thinking about what we want in life. We spend most of our time thinking about all the things that we don't want. We're spending all our time complaining or gossiping and talking about other people, not realizing that we're actually attracting all those things into our lives by focusing on it. See, it's what you think about creates your habits, which in turn creates your circumstances. So you have to be very, very aware of what it is that you're visualizing, what it is that you're thinking about throughout the day. And you also want to mix this in with the gratitude. You want to feel good throughout the day. That's a way to minimize the negativity that you express throughout the day. And you mix the visualization of what it is that you want, a clear, definite vision of what it is that you really, really want, and you mix it with the gratitude, you'll start seeing those things come to you. But you have to be very, very clear about what it is that you want. Don't overlook this, guys. Tip number 3 on how to start using the law of attraction today is eliminating fear and distractions. So fear and distractions have an odd way of getting in the way in life. We have to do whatever we can to eliminate those fears and get rid of the distractions that we have in our lives. So let's start off with distractions. Distractions can be anything. There's a million things in our lives going on at all times. For me personally, one of the biggest distractions that I have is my video game console. I like to play Call of Duty. So one thing that I plan on doing is just getting rid of my Xbox, just selling it, putting it up for sale, and just getting that money and putting that towards my business and towards this YouTube career. Distractions can be anything from your relationship that you're in, video games, phones, internet, whatever it is for you that keeps you not doing what it is that you need to be doing to accomplish your goal. So a good way to eliminate distractions in your life is to start scheduling your time. And do that before you go to bed at night. So your day for tomorrow is already set and you don't have to spend a lot of time really figuring out what it is that you need to do tomorrow. See, when you wake up, you want to be ready, fresh, ready to go, ready to accomplish what it is that you need to accomplish. And you also want to have your mindset in a positive mentality. So starting off with the gratitude and using the visualization and also having a plan of attack on where you want to go. That's what's important. That's how you start your day every day. Really think about, okay, what do I want to accomplish tomorrow? You know, like what I like to do is maybe have like between 3 to 5 things that I want to accomplish. And I just spend my time trying to do those things. And then after I accomplish those things, then I can still have time to relax and do other things. And when you really want to break this down, like you want to go hour by hour throughout your day, but not try to overdo it at the same time. As Wallace Wattles said in The Science of Getting Rich, go as fast as you can, but never hurry. Distractions can be a killer. You really have to break this down and really take some time and think about what it is that you're wasting your time on. We all have our time wasters. We all have our vices. We all have things that we need to do as well. So you have to really ask yourself, are my distractions more important than my goals, or are my goals more important than my distractions? I'm pretty sure you know what the answer is to that. Now, the other part of step 3 is getting rid of fear. If you're really going to accomplish something, you can't go around being scared of what people may think about you, or being afraid of criticism, or being afraid to fail, because that's what stops most of us in our tracks. We may have everything, all the resources, everything that we need to actually accomplish our goals, and we'll stop ourselves because we're scared, and we'll allow fear of anything to get in the way of really accomplishing our goals. That's the end of that. Tomorrow, set out to just eliminate distractions and get rid of fear out of your life. There's no need to be afraid of anything. Failure is an integral part of success. People will always judge you no matter what. So you have to go hard for your dreams, because people will always have something bad to say about you. But don't worry about them. That's not your job to focus on the negativity of other people. Your job is to focus on your goals and go after your dreams. Be fearless. Really take the time out to think about what it is that you're wasting your time on. Really think about what it is that you want to be. And that should give you a little bit more of that confidence and that courage that you need. And don't have any limits on this. There's literally a magic in thinking big. There's a great book by David Schwartz, The Magic of Thinking Big. I highly recommend you all check that out. That book really goes into why it is that you should be fearless and go after big dreams, because it doesn't take anything more to accomplish a small dream as it does to accomplish a big dream. Stop thinking about all the things that can go wrong and really start thinking about what it is that you want to become, and that'll help you stop being afraid and start being ready to go after what you really want. And that vision in your mind, that vision in your heart that's calling you. I know you want it. Go after it. Don't play any games. You have to be fearless. Fear will have you not doing the things that you know that you have to do. Or I have to go make this presentation at this business, but I'm scared. Or all I got to do is just make some phone calls and I know that people will want my product, but I'm afraid to actually sell it or to get out there. Whatever it is for you that's stopping you, just get rid of that thought out of your mind. And when you really start to focus on what you really want, you have to take that next step in confidence and faith, and knowing that if you step out in faith, the way will be shown to you. Tip number 5 on how to use the law of attraction today in your life is understanding the last part of the creative process, which is to receive. So to receive means to actually put yourself really in alignment with what it is that you're asking for by actually putting that effort in. That's right, effort. work, guys. We gotta actually put in some work if we want to accomplish these goals. Nothing happens just magically. The law of attraction doesn't mean that things are just gonna magically fall into your life as some people assume. You can't just hope and wish for things to come to you and expect that they will. It's like with school, you can't just hope and wish that you'll get an A. You actually have to put in work behind that to actually get that A. Actually go out there and do the work that it takes to get things done without the fear and with the gratitude and having the visualization of what it is that you want in your life and understanding that you can do, be, or have anything that you want in this life. You can literally have anything. You could do anything. And you get rid of those distractions. You eliminate fear in your life. You really start to be grateful for the things that you have already. And you visualize having those things that you really want to accomplish. Put that effort behind that vision, behind that passion, behind that energy that you get when you really start to visualize what it is that you want to accomplish and receive what it is that you want to accomplish by actually putting in that effort behind what it is that you're asking for. Go talk to those business owners. Go talk to that girl that you're interested in or that guy. Actually get out there, put the effort behind it. And as long as you have the gratitude, the visualization, a clear, definite purpose of where you want to go, that's the foundation. So those are 5 ways to start using the law of attraction today in your life. I really hope you guys like this video. I really took some time and effort to really think about 5 ways that I use the law of attraction in my life every day to attract the things that I want. I've attracted it in so many different ways, and I'm going to have some more videos about that. So check that out. If you guys like this video, hit that like button down below. Comment, let me know what you like, let me know what you want to see more videos about, let me know the things that you're interested in and the things that you understand about the law of attraction and things that you want me to talk about. I'm trying to grow and build and develop with you all, so I hope this becomes a community and that we can all share and grow and mastermind with each other and build something new. And if you like it, man, keep riding with me. Tell your friends. I hope that you all stick with me on this process, man. Let's get this money. And until the next video, I'm out.